Okay, people, you don't even know. Fly rod, bass. Oh shit, he's running again. Alright, I gotta turn this. I gotta turn this video off so I can concentrate. Okay. Hopefully I'll get him pictures. Gotta go. He's under the boat. Get in the motor. Get in the motor. Oh boy. Oh shit. Woohoo! This made 4 bass in one day, boys. Okay. Definitely learned that I had the drag set for steelhead way too light. If this bass is... Come on, baby. Come to mama. Or daddy. Come to mama. Oh, don't do that. Alright. Come on. Yes! Right. Woo! Take a gander at this smallie on the fly rod. Hold on. Pliers. Oh my God. I wish, Brian, that you were here to see this all go down. It's not too bad. Hope I got it in picture.